Hello and welcome to our latest travel vlog. Are you ready to discover the most beautiful and historically rich places in the Netherlands? From bustling cities to quaint countryside villages, the Netherlands has something to offer for everyone. Let's get started. First on our list is Amsterdam, the capital city of the Netherlands. Known for its picturesque canals, world-class museums, and vibrant nightlife, Amsterdam is a must-visit destination for any traveler. Take a stroll through the famous red light district, visit the Van Gogh Museum, or simply relax on a boat tour of the city's canals. Amsterdam is a unique city that truly has something for everyone. Next up, we have Rotterdam, a modern and innovative city that is full of surprises. This city is home to some of the world's most impressive architectural masterpieces, including the stunning Marktville, which houses an indoor market, restaurants, and shops. Take a walk along the iconic Erasmus Bridge or visit the Maritime Museum to learn about Rotterdam's maritime history. Utrecht is the fourth largest city in the Netherlands and is famous for its beautiful architecture, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene. Take a stroll through the city's charming streets, visit the famous Dom Tower, or explore the many museums and galleries that Utrecht has to offer. This city truly is a hidden gem. The Hague, also known as Gravenhage, is the third largest city in the Netherlands and is the seat of the Dutch government. This city is famous for its beautiful beaches, stunning parks, and impressive architecture. Take a walk along the beach promenade, visit the Peace Palace, or explore the Binnenhof, the Dutch Parliament building. Delft is a charming and historic city that is famous for its beautiful canals, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage. Take a stroll through the city's quaint streets, visit the famous Royal Delft Pottery Factory, or explore the historic city center. Delft is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Dutch history and culture. Up next, we have the charming city of Gouda, famous for its beautiful cheese and stunning architecture. Take a tour of the Gouda cheese market, visit the impressive St. John's Church, or simply stroll through the city's charming streets. Gouda is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the Dutch countryside. Haarlem is a charming and historic city located just a short train ride from Amsterdam. This city is famous for its beautiful canals, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage. Take a stroll through the city's picturesque streets, visit the famous Frans Hals Museum, or simply relax in one of the city's many parks and gardens. Leiden is a beautiful and historic city that is famous for its stunning canals, charming streets, and rich cultural heritage. Take a walk through the city's historic center, visit the famous Leiden University, or simply relax in one of the city's many parks and gardens. Leiden is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Dutch history and culture. Maastricht is a charming city located in the southern part of the Netherlands. This city is famous for its beautiful architecture, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene. Take a stroll through the city's charming streets, visit the famous St. Servatius Bridge, or explore the many museums and galleries that Maastricht has to offer. Maastricht is a hidden gem that truly has something for everyone. Last but not least, we have the charming countryside village of Zaanschans. This village is famous for its picturesque windmills, traditional Dutch houses, and beautiful countryside scenery. Take a tour of the village's windmills, visit the Zaanschans Museum, or simply relax in one of the village's many parks and gardens. Zaanschans is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the traditional Dutch countryside. And there you have it, the top 10 must-see places in the Netherlands. Whether you're a history buff, a culture lover, or simply looking for breathtaking scenery, the Netherlands has something to offer for everyone. Don't miss out on the chance to visit these amazing destinations and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget like and subscribe.